Early morning swap meet action. Short-handed at the swap meet too today. Story of my life. Always short-handed. I'm about to take Barber drone up right now. Barber drone 3. I'm gonna send it over the stadium and then take it over the college right here. We're at Citrus College right now. Okay. Just got done at the swap meet. Dropped off my girl. We were short-handed at the swap meet, and now I'm headed to the shop, and we're short-handed at the shop. Damn, it's like I'm short-handed all the time now. It's all good. I'm gonna do it myself. Me and Tone. So there's only gonna be 2 of us working. Normally I should have 4 people there on Sundays, but I'm gonna have to put my A game, step it up. I'll put up some haircuts later, guys. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Sunday went by quick. Me and Tone handled it. It wasn't that busy. I mean, it was pretty busy. For the 2 of us, we did good today. So, with that being said, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. I'm going to try to do a little bit more filming right now at the swap meet. Get a little bit of the some drone footage. And then I'll see you guys mañana. Have a good Sunday off. Got done with swap meet. Everything's all clear for the day. Now I gotta go back to the shop and cut my brother's hair. Why? Oh, you guys are asking why do I gotta cut my brother's hair on after hours? Okay, I'll tell you guys why. The reason being, my brother gets haircuts whenever he wants. Because apparently, I told him he was my model when back in the day when you used to do your barber test, you used to have a model that you would take in and do actual shave and haircut and facial on. Okay, nowadays it's easy. Now you could take a doll head, I heard. Back in the day, you had to take somebody. They had to have stubble. So my model was my brother Robert. He's 5 years younger than I am. But that was my model. And my brother worked at the time, and he had a good job, and it was difficult for him to get a day off. And I told him, come on, bro, you have to help me out. This is mandatory. You know? All right. So I told him that for the rest of his life, he would get free haircuts whenever he wanted. So this fool makes me go after work. Or whatever, dude. I'm gonna go cut his hair. That's my brother. I love him anyway. So I'm on the way to the shop right now. I'm gonna see if I can get some footage. He hates YouTube and he hates being on the camera, so I'm gonna try to get him on today. All right, guys? If not, I tried. I'm here with my bro with some chicken asada. With my jefita over there. Say hi, Mom. Say hi, YouTube. Okay, guys. Who's familiar with this smell?